Okay, it's Monday morning. Flipperfoot is back. We took some x-rays. There's no signs of wear and tear right down there on the leg. All this looks good. Oh yeah, no, don't do it, Doug. Don't do it. I got cussed out this morning, and he just got over me washing his mouth out with soap. Anyway, this guy's actually doing pretty good. I'm not a big fan of these timeless extension splints on any species, but it actually seems to be working pretty well for this guy. So this is week 2. Yeah, this is week 2, and chances are it's going to come off on week 3. There's enough callus today that a bird could probably bear its own weight on it. The bad news is with me and these big fingers, we're taking that thing off. Then at that point in time, I would probably re-break the leg accidentally on purpose. Or anyway, you know how that works. So that's where we're at. We're going to give it another week. Everything is doing good. You still have some antibiotics in the water and stuff to work with? Okay. We'll recheck his fecal next time. Chances are me trying to prevent any skin infection is going to cause him to have a bacterial fungal or a fungal infection in his intestine. So we'll check that next week. Okay. Other than that, so far so good. Stools look good. Bird looks good. Cusses like a sailor. And that's all I'm saying today. Later.